Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text fill color in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. Now I am write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. Then increase the font size. You can add the bold effect. Now I make the alignment center and middle. Now you want to change the text fill color, you can change this option, otherwise you can go to the shape format menu, select the text fill. You can add any fill, otherwise you can edit the gradient fill. Now we can see we change text fill color in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.